guys, excuse my appearance today. I really didn't feel like putting makeup on because I really just wanted to get this video filmed and get it edited because I'm super excited about it, but I will put some lip gloss on. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my Sephora Spring VIB recommendations. That is right, you guys. If you do not know, the Sephora VIB sale for spring is going to be happening on April the 9th, and I'm super excited about it. This is one of my favorite times of the year from Sephora, and I tend to go a little bit nuts. So I'm going to try not to go as nuts this time, but we shall see. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. Also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is where it's at. I love TikTok so much and I post daily, so yes. Alright. For the Sephora thing, I have a lot of the stuff that I'm actually going to be getting in my cart already. So, but I'm also going to go over a few things that are like staples of Sephora VIB sales that I feel like this is the best time to get it because you're getting a discount. So I'm gonna try to scooch over here so I can put the stuff right here. So first things first, with any kind of Sephora VIB sale, I would recommend getting your luxury products. If you are into luxury makeup, then this is the best time to get that stuff because obviously you're getting a very nice discount. So anything from Pat McGrath, from Natasha Denona, from Giorgio Armani, Gucci, anything like that, I would highly recommend picking that up if you're interested during these times. Yeah, I actually have a few things that I'm gonna be picking up from like Gucci and stuff because it's my first time ever trying their makeup, so I'm super excited about it. But let's just kind of go through my cart right now and I'm gonna show you what I do plan to get, and so maybe that could kind of help you in deciding on what you would want to get. So first things first, here I have the Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint. This came out at the perfect time because it's nearing summer and I'm so freaking excited about it and I cannot wait to try this. I love like tinted moisturizers, skin tints, stuff like that. They're my favorite. Like I love the ColourPop one, like the Pretty Fresh. I have the Morphe one right here as well. I have the Dior one that's pretty light coverage. I have this one from Ilia. I just love these types of foundations. They really just work well with my skin. I have very dry skin and these types of formulas tend to not dry my skin out. So we shall see, but I am very excited about the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. Next up, I have a Tried and True and I'm so excited. Well, I am excited, but I need another one of these because I'm almost out. I have the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. I have gone on and on about this product and I have repurchased it at least 6 or 7 times. I love this stuff so much. It is my favorite moisturizer. It is so hydrating. It's very nourishing that I feel like whenever I put it on, whenever I do use my moisturizer, I just feel like it works, you know? I just feel like it really helps hydrate my skin and just puts a lot of good stuff in there. I can't talk highly enough about this about this moisturizer. It's just that good and I love it. If you have oily skin, it may not be for you, but I know that Youth to the People has loads of products. So if this one doesn't work for people with oily skin, then I'm sure you can totally find one that does. But for us dry skin people, I love it. I love it so much. Next up, speaking of like Pat McGrath, you can see my socks. Sorry about that. Speaking of like luxury makeup Pat McGrath, I am going to be getting something from Pat McGrath during this sale. It is the Liquid Lust Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick. These are new from Pat McGrath, so I'm super excited. I do really like Pat's formula on her lipsticks. I have one right here that I wear a lot and I really just love that formula. It's very nice. I actually don't think I've tried one of her matte lipsticks before, like matte liquid lipsticks. This one right here is just like a lipstick bullet, which I don't know, but I'm excited to try the liquid matte lipsticks. I feel like matte liquid lipsticks have kind of gone like out of style for some reason, and I totally understand that people want to be like dewy and fresh and glowy, and I totally get that. I love that look as well. Hello, dry skin, always. Cream stuff is like my favorite things to use. I love cream products. However, I really still like matte liquid lipsticks. I still wear them all the time. I wear them by themselves, or I'll throw a gloss on top of them or something just to give it a little more like juiciness, if you know what I mean. But I am super excited to try these for Pat McGrath. I think they're going to be great. And keeping with the luxury makeup situation, we have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I've heard so many people talk about this. And they say that it's like their favorite foundation of all time, that they love this foundation. I have never worn this foundation. I've never tried it. However, I am super duper excited to try because I don't know why I haven't tried it. I genuinely don't. Like, I feel like I should try it and give it a shot because I have a feeling that I'm gonna love it, and I need to try it out. It needs to happen. And yeah, I've just heard so many people say that it's their favorite foundation of all time, and if that many people are saying it, then I would have to believe that it's true. So definitely on my list for this season's VIB sale. So I'm excited for that. And I have one more in the luxury makeup category, and this is by Gucci. This is the Gucci Eclat Soleil bronzer, and I'm so excited about it. The packaging just looks so pretty, you guys. It looks stunning, and I can't wait to try it. And when it comes to like designer brands and makeup, sometimes I feel like, why is this so expensive? It doesn't even work. I feel like that with a lot of YSL products. I don't know why. I've never tried anything from Gucci besides like perfume, but I've never tried any kind of Gucci makeup product, and I was like, you know what, I think today is the day. I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna try this bronzer out as well, and of course I'm gonna be doing like a haul video and like a video trying all this stuff on, so I will give you my review on all of these products, but I'm gonna try this because it's gonna be on sale. Next up, I have some things from Huda Beauty. These are the new Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palettes. I have two in my cart. I have the Toffee one. Oh, very pretty, look at that. And then I also have the Caramel one. Also very pretty, wow. I don't need any more coffee. But I really like these Obsessions palettes that Huda comes out with. I didn't like the first ones, like the Gem Obsessions palettes. I didn't like the formula on those. I didn't think they worked very well. However, I think that her new ones that she's come out with are awesome. I reviewed the Gold palette not too long ago. If you haven't seen that, I have it linked right up here. But I loved that palette. It was really good, and I think her formula has definitely evolved and gotten much better. So I am so excited to try these two out. So I will be getting those in the sale as well, so that's very cool. Also, this is, if I can get it. It's been sold out forever, but I do want to try the Kat Von D or the KVD Vegan Beauty Good Apple. Yeah, the Good Apple foundation. Of course, it's all over TikTok, it's all over Instagram, it's viral everywhere, and when something's viral, I want to try it too. I want to get on the viral train. I have FOMO because I haven't tried it yet, and I literally almost bought it the other day from Sephora online because they had a shade that I wanted, but then I was like, nah, I'll just wait until the sale goes on, and of course, the shade that I wanted sold out 10 minutes after I was gonna buy it. Because I went back and I was like, I'm just gonna get it. I went back and I said, I'm just gonna get it, it's gonna sell out. And I went back 10 minutes too late and it was already gone. So if it comes back in stock, I will try this. If not, then I'll try it some other time, but it's really hard to get a hold of right now. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is something from Tatcha. You can consider this luxury as well, but this is more like luxury skincare instead of makeup. But I think this might actually be makeup though, because this is a Tatcha, the Silk Protective, or the Silk Powder Protective Setting Powder. I think this is one of Tatcha's first times dipping their foot into the makeup sphere. I feel like everything that they've done as of late has been skincare, or like they did like lip balm and stuff, but pretty much really skincare. So this is their first time really making like a face powder, makeup-y kind of thing, so I'm really into that. So I can't wait to try this out. I do like trying different powders. I don't use very much. The only powder that I even use right now is the Pat McGrath powder, and I only use a tiny little bit under my eyes, and I've been using this thing to death. Look at that. But I do like the look of like a tiny little bit of powder like under on top of your concealer, especially if it's a very lightweight powder, because again, I do have dry skin, so if I put too much powder on, it's going to be very noticeable. But maybe this one will be more of like a light kind of like veil powder, like the Hourglass. Is it the Hourglass like veil powder? I've tried that one before and I really did like it, but the Pat McGrath I liked even better. But I am gonna try this one and I'm super excited about it, and I'll let you know what I think. So yeah, you guys, that has been my recommendations for the VIB Sephora spring sale. There's loads of other things. There's like stuff from Milk Cosmetics. There's new Rare Beauty coming out soon. There's so many other things that could be released between now and then, because I'm filming this on the 6th and we have 3 more days until the sale goes live. So there could be more things, but these are just the things that I have in my cart right now. But yeah, please let me know. I'm gonna scooch back over here. Please let me know what your recommendations are in the comments, because I love trying new things and I want to know, because I'm nosy like that. But I really hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!